So we have a tornado warning. I don't know if it's around here, but oh my god. Those clouds are moving mighty suspicious. Oh my god, was it right there? I'm making popcorn, by the way. In that microwave right there. But I think there's a tornado right there. Those clouds are moving very fast. Holy shit. Yeah, I might be fucked. I'm the only one in this apartment. Hold it. I go down with my apartment, you know? Oh god, that's like really close. It's only 70 miles an hour. I'm sure it's fine. Ooh, yeah, that might be a tornado. People are backing up in their cars. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay, well, I'm gonna go eat my popcorn. Oh, by the way, don't mind the mess. Popcorn real quick. Bring it over here real fast. I just send this popcorn in front of the tornado.